SD-WAN solutions are like rugby players on the playing field. Each has a position and unique capabilities. Fusion has a place in the SD-WAN playing field. Our solution applies a hub-and-spoke architecture, is multi-tenanted, ISP agnostic, and easier to install. Essentially designed for mass deployment with a low resource requirement. At Fusion, we salute business owners. Businesses contribute to economic growth and employment. However, businesses are underserved and represent the greatest growth opportunity. Many businesses simply cannot afford complicated, complex solutions that are resource heavy. At Fusion, we have automated complex technology to deliver connectivity benefits in a plug-in zero-touch device at an affordable price, essentially reducing the cost to serve and helping our partners service the business sector more profitably. Now, in the SD-WAN playing field, one size does not fit all. Add Fusion SD-WAN to your existing SD-WAN offering and begin serving the underserved business segment who require a solution that makes financial sense. To discuss our OEM Partner Opportunity, contact us. Our email is info@fusionbroadband.co.za.